today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to band lock your Samsung phone. Always start by making sure that your COM ports are fully enumerated, and then go ahead and launch LML. Go ahead and click OK so that you get connection to all of your 6 phones. Then go to Control, and there will be a new Advanced Lock option. When you click on that, it'll open up a new dialog box. Each channel at the top will allow you to independently band lock the phone. In this case, we'll start with channel 1. We'll lock it to band 12. And you can see in band 12 in that upper left, we're already on that band. Once we get the response from the phone, it will come back and accept it. You saw the flip of the bands there. We'll look at band 6 again. This time we'll unselect all. We'll force it to band 14. We'll apply the lock. After we do that, we'll go ahead and move it to band 12. I'll hit Apply Lock, and you'll see that that will switch now. And once again, we'll go back to band 14, hit the Apply Lock option, and it'll now move over to band 14. We'll do the same thing on channel 5. Again, hit the band lock option. Again, we'll start on band 14. We'll move it to band 12. It'll update, and we'll just go back to 14 for the example.